Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel CryptoPix. Today I'm going to talk about the bloodbath that September has brought us. Is it a good thing, a bad thing, should we worry, and what I've been hearing. First, let's look at Bitcoin. If you check out their graph for the last 7 days, you can see, actually let's do a month. You can see since September 1st when we almost hit, we pretty much hit $5,000, it just dipped. And everybody's emotions went crazy. Bitcoin is playing with our hearts. And we all know this is because of China and the ICO news and then the possible exchange ban. The FUD is real. People don't know what's going on. Usually we don't have, or let me rephrase that. Lately we haven't had bloodbaths that last longer than 1 or 2 days. And this one's lasted almost 10 days already. I've heard from many people who research daily and chart daily tell me that Bitcoin should drop to possibly $3,500, maybe 38, and that's when it will really start to push again. So this makes me think, should I sell my Bitcoin for Tether and hold until Bitcoin drops? This seems to be the question of the month. What do we do? Do we keep it in altcoins? Me personally, I actually sold a good chunk of my altcoins for Bitcoin, then sold my Bitcoins for Tether at around $4,200. Literally, right when I did that, it spiked right up to $4,400. So of course my first reaction was anxiety, thinking, why the hell did I just do this? It brought me back to the days when I was trying to do some day trading, which was an awful idea, at least for me. So what I ended up doing was just getting back my Bitcoins for $4,200. So stayed at that even price. My strategy going forward will be to buy altcoins I know that have great long-term potential and just get in better position with those coins. Now, if Bitcoin does drop to $3,500, I have set an alarm and I'll jump on Coinbase and buy some Bitcoin and ride that train back up. Or this strategy should allow me to get into a better position on my favorite coins and not stress over cryptocurrency. I have a little bit of stress going on in my life. I'm about to be buying a house and new things happening at work too. So a lot of different things going on. So let's check out the rest of the market. So like I said, this is going to be a little bit different video than I normally do. I'm going to kind of talk about the coins that I have interest in and just say a little bit of info on them, I guess. So start with Litecoin. So I wasn't really big into Litecoin until it was around $50 and I bought in a good chunk of money. I ended up selling around $70 and it's definitely in a dip right now. So this is a pretty safe coin to jump in if you're looking for where to put your money. Also IOTA. So this one jumped like $1.20 not too long ago and has dipped all the way to 50 cents. Now I know a lot of people are panicking about this one. Everyone knows this has good potential, but anytime something dips, people FUD, and this is definitely one that's having people worried. NEO. NEO's another one I'm looking out at. This one is at $22. I'm kind of trying to get in a little bit under $20. If it hits there, I'll jump in more. If not, then I'll look at other coins. OMG is pretty much pushing strong. I mean, this is one of those coins that hasn't really dropped significantly, which is a pretty good thing. I like that coin. Quantum staying, Lisk is staying, Stratus. These aren't showing too much drops. Waves is almost to $4. This is kind of one of those coins where if it hits under $4, I'm gonna put a good chunk of money in. 10x. This is probably the coin I have the most money in, and every time it goes down, it stresses me out. But I just keep telling myself that's just another entry point to lower my average on this coin. So I bought in around 260. What else we got here? Civic. Civic is a coin that super jumped. Had a pretty good jump right here because of the Poloniex. I believe it got put on that exchange and it shot right up. I personally think, one of my friends was asking me what to do. I told him I personally would sell and look to buy back just because I think a majority of September is going to be red, and I don't think Civic's going to be immune to that. After that, what else do we got? So there's another coin, 0x. This is a sleeper coin in my opinion. I plan on getting in on this hopefully before it jumps. I'm hoping it stays under wraps and not too many YouTubers and people research it. So I'm going to kind of hold it to the side also. So games credits, this is kind of an interesting coin. I actually don't have any money into this coin, but I like to judge the market based off this coin. So when it's under $2, the market's usually doing really bad. When it's over $2, the market's usually doing really well. So it's at 180, it's kind of giving you an idea. When it hits like 240, we're doing great. Verge is another one that's been doing great. It's just been rocketing with the bloodbath. It's kind of crazy. I'm in one of the Verge groups, and people are just super excited in that group, going crazy. What else? I'm looking at about the top 150. Bitcoins is doing great. This one's on one of those smaller exchanges, Coin Exchange, which I can't stand being on. But this one doesn't really move too much. It stays around the 90-cent range. No limit coin. About 25 cents is getting to the point where I want to jump in with a good chunk of money. If it hits under 20 cents, I'm going to put a lot in. What else are we looking at? District 0x. This one is another one where if it hits 4 cents, I plan on putting a lot of money in. A lot of people are super excited about this one and expect a good jump in the future. It's super new. It just got ICO like less than a month ago. And I think it hit 25 cents right after that. So people were all excited about it. Now it's at 5 cents, so people are FUDing over it, but I know this is a good coin and something that I will jump in if it hits 4 cents. Hasn't yet, so I have no money inside this coin. Now there's just one coin I want to show you on here, which is First Blood. It's hit 30 cents. This one just keeps dropping. Every time I put money in it, I'm just like, yeah, I got into a good price. I wake up and it's a little above what I bought in, and then it just drops. So of course with the bloodbath, everything's going down. This one's no exception. So I'm just looking in for a better buy-in point. Last but not least, Lunar had a huge jump. I think 2 days ago, is now at 975. So pretty much these are the coins that I like. And actually one more. InvestFeed. InvestFeed's at 8 cents. This one, if it hits around 6 cents, I'm gonna jump in a good chunk of money inside this coin. It's only at 16 million market cap. It's actually a really pretty platform. I think social media platform. I have a huge group that I'm in that are super pumped up about this coin. I'd recommend it. Kind of looking at the website, doing some research. This might be one that could rocket in the upcoming future. I think that's it. So to sum it up, this month is going to be an interesting month. Could be just all of September, bloodbath red. Don't get freaked out. Just find a good buying point for the coins you love, and if you have extra money, wait for the Bitcoin dip. At least this will be my strategy. Thanks everyone for watching my video. This is my explanation and thoughts on the bloodbath and what I'm going to do to take advantage of it. Thanks again, like and subscribe, and see you next time.